Uyise kaNeo wabe esemadlelweni ekhaphela imfuyo, unina yena wabe ematasatasa ehlanza izitsha. Kwangena intangalo endlini yacaphuna usana lwabe lulele yakhala emuka nalo. Kwathi makhathaleni yalulaqaza phansi lolusana yabaleka imfene. Lwashayeka phansi etsheni, usana lwashona. Umndeni uthi abazali bakaNeo abakazi balulama emphefumulweni kusukela kuleso sigameko.
Lela ka tla libile khoro o kopana le tshweni ha wa e tshotse ngwana. A goa e be tswa tshweni ewa e tla jana ha pele ga ntlo. Ile ha ile ha pele ga ntlo e bona ntse a goa e be ukwa batho ba bua. Borre ba wa jana ba mo utlwile. E be la tlhela ngwana mo godimo ga letlapa ha. E setse mo budile mo tlhogong.
Inhlangano yomphakathi imadipelesa isinxuse uHulumeni ukuthi afeze isithembiso asenza kulomndeni.
We are affected as the community. Every time our place will be labeled as a place where a baboon ate a baby. This is affecting us, so we ask that the government do something in memory of baby Neo.
Kusenjalo umasipala eGreater Taung uthi uyasibhekisisa lesicelo.
I personally went to see the family and promised that that will be taken care of. But as everyone knows, issues here in the municipality, especially that deals with finance, have certain processes to go through.
Esinye isicelo esikhona manje esokuthi usana uNeo enzelwe isikhumbuzo.